Looking for a healthy, protein-packed lunch that's super satisfying and full of flavor? Today I'm showing you how to make one of my favorite fitness meals, and it's way easier than it looks. Hey, I'm Megan, and in this video I'm walking you through a simple, balanced, and delicious recipe: juicy beef cubes, creamy pumpkin mash, and sautéed veggies. It's light, nutritious, and perfect for lunch or even meal prep. What you'll need: for the beef, 600 grams, about 1.3 leaves, lean beef chuck or sirloin cut into cubes, 1 chopped onion, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt, black pepper, and fresh parsley to taste. For the pumpkin mash, 600 grams, about 1.3 leaves, pumpkin or butternut squash, 200 ml, about 1 cup, low-fat milk, salt, pepper, olive oil. For the veggies, 300 grams, about 2 cups, chopped green beans, 1 chopped onion, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Let's start cooking. Step 1. Sear the beef in a hot skillet. Sauté 1 chopped onion in olive oil until golden. Add the beef cubes, season with salt, black pepper, and parsley, and cook until nicely browned and tender. Set aside while we prep the sides. Step 2. Creamy pumpkin mash. Boil or steam the pumpkin until soft. Then mash it roughly with a fork or potato masher. Add the mash to a blender with the milk. Season to your taste and blend until smooth. In a pan, heat a drizzle of olive oil and pour in the pumpkin mix. Let it simmer over low heat to thicken. It'll turn into a creamy, cozy mash, and trust me, it's so satisfying. Step 3. Quick sautéed veggies. In another pan, sauté the second onion with olive oil. Add the chopped carrots and green beans and cook until they're just tender. You want them still a little crunchy. Season to your liking. How to serve it: add a generous scoop of the pumpkin mash to your plate. Top it with the juicy beef cubes and finish with the colorful veggie mix on the side. You can even pack it into meal prep containers. It holds up really well in the fridge for up to 3 days. Why this meal works: high in protein to keep you full and fuel your muscles, rich in fiber and AMP, vitamins from the veggies, healthy carbs and AMP, fats for lasting energy, and it tastes like something you'd order at a fancy healthy cafe, but made with ingredients you already have at home. And if you're looking for more easy, balanced meals like this, check the first pinned comment. I've left a free ebook with a full week of fitness recipes to help you stay on track without the stress. If you like this recipe, give the video a thumbs up, share it with a friend who loves healthy food, and comment below: are you team beef cubes or team pumpkin mash? And don't forget to subscribe. I've got a new recipe coming every week to keep your meals fresh, clean, and full of flavor. See you in the next one. Stay strong and stay well.